Hello friends and welcome back to another video on the Ray Law International channel. As you know, many parts of our U.S. immigration system is in total disarray. However, until our nation starts getting serious, the immigration challenges we are facing today will only increase. Because our immigration system is outdated and failing, you know we are going to have problems. So, in today's video, we're going to look at some questions and see how we might navigate the current complex immigration system. Let's get started.
I'm a United States citizen and am unemployed. Am I able to sponsor my wife's green card case?
You can still sponsor your spouse's green card case, even if you are unemployed. But there are a few additional steps you need to complete. If you are the petitioner for your family member's green card case, you are required to complete the Affidavit of Support, Form I-864, even if you are unemployed. The purpose of the Affidavit of Support is to show the USCIS that you, as a petitioner, have the adequate means of financial support and that your immigrant family member is not likely to rely on the U.S. government for financial support. It is also a contract with the government to support your family member if there is ever a need. In order for the USCIS to approve the green card application, you, the petitioner, have to show that you have the income, assets, or combined income and assets totaling at least 125% of the federal poverty guidelines for your household size. If you do not have the adequate financial means, the USCIS does allow for you to include a United States citizen or legal permanent resident co-sponsor. The co-sponsor does not have to live in your home or even be a family member.
Can I apply for a TN extension if I have a pending green card case?
The TN visa is a non-immigrant visa. This means that when you have a TN visa or apply for a TN visa, you are conveying to the USCIS that you intend to work and reside in the United States on a temporary basis. When you apply for a green card while on TN status, you are then conveying to the USCIS that you intend to make the United States your permanent home. So, if you apply for the TN extension while your green card case is pending, the USCIS will likely deny your TN extension because the USCIS will now see that you intend to permanently reside in the United States. The timing of filing your green card case while you are on TN status is very important. If you intend to continue to work on your TN status while your green card case is pending, it is crucial to make sure that your TN status does not expire in the near future. Depending on your category and country, the green card process can easily take more than a year. Even if you file an EAD application with your green card case, the USCIS is now taking up to 6 months to approve these work permits. In some cases, it is much more prudent to apply for the TN extension, get it approved, then apply for your green card.
I applied for my EAD renewal before my current EAD expired. My current EAD has not expired and my EAD renewal is still pending. Can I still work?
There are some EAD renewals that qualify for an automatic 180-day extension. The extension applies if you receive the EAD renewal receipt notice before the expiration date of your current EAD. Some of the eligible categories for the EAD automatic 180-day extension include those in refugee, asylee, pending asylum application, TPS, VAWA, pending green card application, and cancellation of removal applicant status. You can apply for your EAD renewal as early as 6 months before the expiration date of your current EAD. Given the long USCIS processing times, it is very important to file your EAD renewal as soon as possible. Start early and have it ready for your attorney to file.
I have a conditional green card but forgot to file the I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence before the green card expiration date. Will this be an issue?
In short, yes. This can be a major issue if you are unable to demonstrate to the USCIS that the petition to remove conditions on resident filing delay was due to extraordinary circumstances beyond your control. If you have a conditional green card, you are required to submit the petition within a 90-day period before your conditional green card expires. If the USCIS does not accept your excuse or reason for filing the petition late, then there is a very real possibility that not only will your case be denied, but that the USCIS will forward your case to the Department of Homeland Security to initiate removal proceedings. In this circumstance, you must speak with an experienced and knowledgeable immigration attorney. In fact, don't risk putting yourself in this position. Remain in contact with your immigration attorney on an annual basis and make sure your attorney is aware of your status. Once you become a U.S. citizen, you can change this habit.
I have a pending green card application through my current employer, but I want to accept a job offer with a different company. If I accept the job with the new company, will I have to start the green card process all over again?
There are a few things to unpack here. Under the American Competitiveness in the 21st Century Act of 2000, or AC-21, a company can hire a foreign national who has a pending employment-based green card with another company. This means that an employee can switch jobs during the pendency of their employment-based green card application without having to start the process all over again. But there are a few requirements that must be satisfied before you can accept that new job. First, your green card application must have been pending for at least 180 days, and your I-140 must have been approved or filed together with your green card application. Second, the job from the new company must be in what is called the same or similar occupational classification. This means that the new job would need to have a similar job duties, education requirements, skill requirements, and wage levels as your current job. For example, if your current job is in IT and the offer job is for a position as a nurse, then you might want to think twice about doing an AC-21 transfer. The USCIS will deny your application once it discovers the problem. Changing your employer or hiring a foreign national during the pendency of a green card case can be highly technical. Now, more than ever, it is important that you have an immigration attorney involved in your immigration case. Get the Ray Law advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay updated on immigration matters by subscribing to our channel and sharing it with your friends. Stay informed, stay educated, and until next time, stay on the right immigration path.